Early each morning, as dawn breaks, 78% of people instinctively reach for their smartphones, altering their day before it begins. This habit releases control to algorithms designed to capture attention, a neurological trap akin to chronic stress. Morning rituals with screens create anxiety and deplete willpower. Some individuals, like Navy SEALs and CEOs, avoid phones for 90 minutes post-awakening, understanding that morning quality determines the day's success. These first waking hours open a neuroplasticity window, a period when the brain is receptive to programming success habits. Diving into smartphone use during this window is like starting the day with anxiety. Instead of phones, a simple routine takes precedence. Sunlight recalibrates circadian rhythm, journaling taps into problem solving, and cold exposure boosts norepinephrine levels, priming the mind for focus and creativity. Morning phone unlocks exploit the brain's reward systems, mimicking slot machine psychology. These practices are strategic design choices confronting users with mind-hacking complexity. A 30-day study showed benefits of avoiding morning phone use, reduced decision fatigue, increased productivity, and decreased stress. Brain scans revealed increased gray matter in the prefrontal cortex. Participants reported career advancements and improved relationships from altering a 5-minute ritual. Former tech leaders warn of brain hacking, targeting morning periods due to dopamine sensitivity. Morning engagement serves as an entry point for digital addictions. Two potential cells emerge, one reactive with phone use, another focused with intention-filled practices, operating at transformational capacity. The phone is not adversarial, its usage shapes destiny. By stowing it away during critical morning hours, one faces the world with choice rather than reaction, redefining mornings and heralding a pathway for potential self. The challenge of 90 phone-free minutes upon waking begins tomorrow, leading to level up as the brain ascends. Joining this initiative offers access to Neuro Morning Blueprint, rituals used by leading performers. Your morning decides whether you control your day, or let it control you. This one small change can change everything. Try it, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tools. Until next time, stay strong and stay focused.